Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome, fairly new feature in Google Docs. And this feature is the ability to have checklists and checklist items that can be crossed off so you have that satisfying feeling that you're accomplishing things and getting things done and are super productive. So in Google Sheets, this has been around for a little bit, but it is finally now available in Google Docs. So to do this, I'm going to open a Google Docs document here. This is just pretty simple. And I have my little to-do list here. And then what I'm going to do is over here, whenever you'd see some of these traditional bulleted list options or a numbered list, there's a new button that is a checklist. So if I select that, I can start typing out items on my to-do list. So I can add all of my items there. And the nice thing is that I can cross things off and see that they're accomplished and keep going from there. So the benefit of this is helpful for you to stay organized. It's also great for your students as well. They can make their own checklists. Or if you want to really support students and really help them develop their executive functioning skills and self-regulation skills, which we know are super important for learning, especially in universal design for learning, maybe you generate a checklist for your class, a list of assignments and things that are coming up. And then you share that list with students so students have a little bit of scaffolding and have all those reminders there for them, but they have the autonomy to go and cross off items as they complete them. And you can definitely send them a copy through a force copy, through your LMS assignment tool, lots of different ways to do that to give students a checklist and help them stay organized and productive as well. I hope you find this tip as awesome as we do, and let us know if you have questions.